Hi guys, Tom here with another ASUS feature video. This time we're looking at the hardcore ASUS TUF Gaming FX505. Made to change the way you look at gaming laptops, the FX505 not only boasts impressive hardware, but prides itself in its affordable price and durable chassis. In fact, the FX505 has passed a series of rigorous military standard tests, successfully surviving varying conditions including solar radiation exposure, high altitude, and temperature extremes. Not that we'd expect your next gaming session to be in the Arctic, but these tests prove that it's more than certified to endure day-to-day use. Surviving anything from accidental knocks to sudden drops, the FX505 has been pushed to the limit to ensure only the very best for gamers on the move. Now, despite its durability and compact size, the FX505 packs all the punch of a top-range gaming desktop. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics, the FX505 is ready to take on any task inside and outside the gaming arena. With these top specs combined with the FX505's 6.5mm thin bezels and ultra-fast 120Hz IPS-level panel mean that nothing can match its super smooth gameplay, minimal motion blur, and intense immersion. Finally, the FX505's display's wide-view angles ensure vivid and consistent colours, even when you're gathered round with friends watching your replays. Moving on to the ports, the FX505 has a whole host of ports to accommodate all your needs. It has a single USB 2.0 and two USB 3.1 ports for all your gaming peripherals, an Ethernet port for the best possible internet connection, as well as a HDMI 2.0 port to connect to an external display. Additionally, we've placed all the ports on the left-hand side of the laptop, so there's nothing to interfere with your mouse movement. Now, as all gamers know, as the battlefield heats up, it's likely that your system will too, but there's nothing worse than too much heat dropping your performance or outright crashing your system. That's why the FX505 features HyperCool Technology to ensure exceptional cooling during gaming marathons. This tech consists of the anti-dust cooling system, HyperFan, and intelligent parallel fan placement to keep your system cool and clean from dust, so no more mid-game throttling. And finally, continuing on with its ease of use, another benefit of the FX505 is the ability to swap out its hard drive easily. By unscrewing the bottom of the laptop, the panel easily pops out where the hard drive is accessible. So whether you want to move your old hard drive over or upgrade to a new one, the FX505 makes it easy to switch. So for those looking for their next laptop, there's no need to reinstall all your old games and settings, just swap over the hard drive. And that's it for this video, so if you want to find out more about the ASUS TUF Gaming FX505, be sure to click the link in the description and subscribe for more feature videos and ASUS TUF announcements.